It also confirms a well-known fact in the sports community. Runners who vary their speed spend their energy better and thus run longer. In order to relate volleyball with math, the force needed to make the ball move a certain height or distance, the angle required to make the ball over the net, and the arrangement of players, such that less players cover more ground need to be well illustrated. These two forces are called action and reaction forces, and are the subject of Newton's third law of motion. In this activity, the rope is the means to transfer forces. The first team to tug is the action force, causing the pull on the rope, as the reaction force, the other team's rope end, feels. The angle at which the ball is thrown is determined as the angle made by the extension of the player's arms and a perpendicular line starting from the player's hips. Whether they realize it or not, basketball players make use of many geometric concepts while playing a game. The most basic of these ideas is in the dimensions of the basketball court. The diameter of the hoop 18 in, the diameter of the ball 4 in, the width of the court 50 feet, and the length from the three-point line to the hoop 19 feet are all standard measures that must be adhered to in any basketball court. Knowing these measurements is useful for kids who would like to practice basketball at home without access to a full-fledged basketball court. The path the basketball will take. The basketball will take once its shot comes down to the angle at which it is shot, the force applied, and the height of the player's arms. When shooting from behind the free throw line, a smaller angle is necessary to get the ball through the hoop. However, when making a field throw, a larger angle is called for. When a defender is trying to block the shot, a higher shot is necessary. In this case, the elbows should be as close to the face as possible. Understanding arcs will help determine how best to shoot the ball. Basketball players Basketball players understand that throwing the ball right at the basket would not help it go into the hoop. On the other hand, shooting the ball in an arc would increase its chances of falling through the hoop. Getting the arc right is important to ensure that the ball does not fall in the wrong plaque.